Name's Gregory Mann. I'm working as an architect with Design Matters Architects. I work in association with my partner Matthew Cook. We've been working together now for about 10 years. We work on a range of different projects as a small firm and working independently. My bias personally has always been a real focus on the technical built form and detail of building. My years as a contractor has fundamentally influenced the way I work. With that emphasis on three-dimensional sort of resolution, we've always worked with models and now with the BIM software to resolve those junctions. Once the design is done, essentially the drawings are done. So traditionally that difference between the design and the production, Archicad really eliminates that problem. And so that's why we're incredibly productive as a small firm, because we don't need production staff. Probably the biggest change in the last few years is the design options. So we use the Renovation Tool in a way to look forwards and backwards, but I've become quite proficient at using the design options, and that makes an incredible difference. At a click you can create a fundamentally different version and then just clean out the file afterwards. The other thing I really enjoy is the 3D documents as a way to get not a rendered image, I suppose an old-fashioned little isometric or perspective drawing out of it. To be able to do that as a cutaway with the material quality live and expressed. To use that to illustrate how 3D junctions and small aspects of the project works. That's another aspect that I really enjoy working with. I've always found a pure two-dimensional environment quite limiting. I love the physicality, the tactile nature of real building. Now with Archicad and the three-dimensional environment, we physically build things. I just love the idea that when it's a piece of wood, it's a piece of wood, and you can really understand the materiality of everything. So that combination that the software allows us to build conceptual layers and then also physical layers and to create the solution in that way. I first started with Archicad 18 or 19, that's where I learned to use the software, and each successive upgrade comes with changes, but some of the new tools are incredible.